Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Verizon is a communication company within the telecom sector. The stock price has appreciated poorly compared to the S&P 500 over the last 5 years. Let's briefly analyze the company's fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, minus 0.50%, thumbs down. Earnings growth, minus 0.30%, thumbs down. Earnings estimates, 2.88%, thumbs down. Return on capital, 14.03%, thumbs up. Debt to free cash flow, minus 4.88, thumbs down. Share buybacks, no, thumbs down. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 4.83%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 46.94%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 2.1%, thumbs down. Growth years, 17 years, thumbs up. 5 out of 10 thumbs up, well that's mediocre? You might want to reevaluate Verizon if you have it in your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a nice day.